Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Really good one today. It's a Dior Suqqu day. I have a Dior eyeshadow palette that I didn't expect to have. I'll tell you the story inside. And I have a brand new Suqqu highlighter to get into. So I'm gonna be swatching, pulling a look together, and just chatting just a little bit. This should be pretty quick and easy. If you wanna check out what's on my face and what this incredibly cute thing is on my head, just keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I appreciate it when you do. Now let's jump in. Okay guys, before we jump into this video, of course I have to talk about my Breezy Tee product of the day. I am rocking our brand new Rosewood Boho head wrap. I'm obsessed with this color. This color is a bit of me, okay? It's rich. It's rich. I'm not typically a pink person, but this one completely appeals to me because there's some depth there and I just really love the shade. And the same is true of lipsticks. I love a Rosewood lipstick. So, long piece of stretchy fabric. Fashion it into any style you want. Dress it up, dress it down. Wear it to work out. Just before starting this video, I did my workout. I wore a different color one, but that's what I wore as I worked out. Okay, wear it to run errands, date night, hanging out with your girls. So many options for you. We have about 23 of them. So we've got so many colors. There's guaranteed to be something there for everyone. And right now they're 15% off for Memorial Day. I think they're on sale until the 1st, okay? So they're on sale currently. And if you wanna check out any of our Boho head wraps, just visit us at breezytee.com or our Etsy shop. Links will be in the description below, along with the link for this specific color. So first up is this Dior Bayadere Eyeshadow Palette from Dior. This was an unexpected, I did not expect to have this palette. Long story short, Dior messed up when I tried to return this. And so I got my money back and I got to keep the palette. The end, that's the shortened version. So, you know, I can tell you before I use this that I'm gonna love it because I feel like free things, you know, you just go on to love them a bit more when they're free. So I know I'm gonna love this. I'm putting it out there right now. Okay, we'll see after I have it on my eyes, but the colors always look beautiful to me. That's why I got it. But what changed my mind was right after I got it, I saw the velvet, I think coral one, and I was more intrigued by that. This had coral and I was like, I think I prefer to try one of those. And yeah, so that's the first thing we're doing today. And then I have a new Suqqu highlighter here that we'll talk about when we get to it. So let me get these swatches together from this eyeshadow palette. Beautiful, beautiful design on the palette. I think there was a second one too. And I don't want to mess that up, but I must. Okay, here are the swatches. I'm not gonna lie, I know this was a spring release, but it does immediately look like fall to me. Very pretty colors, but they do read more fall to me. Beautiful formula as always with Dior satins in there, nice creamy matte. This isn't a brown, this is like a brick red, like a deep red. So I appreciate that instead of a brown. Very, very pretty. Let's see what I come up with. As per usual, Dior in those 5 shades, there's always one I'm like, did I need that one? So let's see what look I can come up with now. So listen, it's a beautiful palette, okay? Beautiful colors. They look really, really nice together. I'm loving the bronziness, the orange, the peachy, and then when mixed with that red, the red kind of just adds a little something to it. But beautiful, beautiful palette. Nothing negative to say. Again, Dior palettes, the Dior formula has just stepped it up. It's so interesting. I think a lot of people now, when I talk to people, Dior has kind of risen up in their estimation. The same with me. I'm just really happy with Dior as of what, the last year, 2 years, year and a half, what they've been producing. This is another pretty one. I mean, it's just a matter of assessing what you have from the brand. Do you need it? Do you not? But the quality is gonna be there, I feel. And yeah, always looks super, super nice. So very, very pretty palette. And you know what's funny? I just want to make a note of this. Now that it's on the eyes, the bronze, the thing, it looked darker in the swatches. I guess everything kind of blending together and seeing it all together, it doesn't look as fall to me. There's still beautiful pops of color in there. So I can get it. I can get down with this for summer. It's almost giving like sunset kind of vibe. So I'm okay. I changed my mind on that already. Okay, so I already have on my Suku powder blush. I just wanted to revisit this product. Listen, these are beautiful. They really do melt into the skin really, really well. I didn't want to do too much. I can apply a little more. I didn't want to do too much. I like where it is, but it just is so seamless on the skin that you really I can't say anything bad about it. So I'm gonna really absolutely recommend. I know Suku is a bit of a pain to get. If you get them through Selfridges, you can, or if you want to use Selfridges, you can pay a one-time fee, a yearly fee, and you can get products sent to you for free. I don't remember what it is to the US. I know for me it's 10 bucks in Europe for the year, so it's not horrible, but I know it's frustrating. Cult Beauty also ships around the world, and I think somebody just recently told me that the Cult Beauty deal is better for them. I think they said they didn't find it, but check that out. It's such a stellar brand. I wish it was just more accessible to people who don't want to buy things, you know, from other continents. But I can't tell you enough. These are beautiful. They come in lots of shades. I've shown them on my channel. They come in lots of shades and they just really look beautiful on the skin. Okay, so now we have this beaut. Okay, this marbled beauty. This is the Suqqu Melting Powder Highlighter 101. So now, just like I said, the blush is also a melting blush, so I'm expecting the same kind of situation with this highlighter that's just gonna melt really beautifully into the skin. So it's marble, beautiful marble design on there with 2 different shades, so you're gonna get something in there. So here is the swatch. Beautiful, beautiful gold color. Absolutely beautiful color. Just swatching it on my hand, you can see it just melts into the skin beautifully. And for a powder product and for maturing skin, I want things to melt in. I don't want it to emphasize, and I never want you to know where things begin and where they end. So super important. I love how this melts into the skin. Yes, excited. Let's get this on my cheeks now. A reminder that I'm always gonna have swatches of every product that I show in my videos on my Instagram page in sunlight. Sunlight to me is the best light because where I am, it's always so sunny. I want to know how things look when I'm outside and there's some sun, especially at this time of year. Who are we kidding? We're going outside for the sun. I'm going to use the Suku brush to apply this. And I'm learning my lesson with these damn highlighters, because Lord knows that I will go, oh, I'm loving this. Oh, I so hope that it's such a complimentary color for my brown skin, but I've seen it on I've seen pictures. Oh, this is one of those. Oh yeah. What a beautiful highlighter. And it's melding into the blush, but it's certainly not disturbing it. Oh, and this is so my kind of highlighter. So not bling blingy, subtle, but it's there. Oh, let's try the other side. Oh, I'm really liking this. It's absolutely beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Super duper sophisticated. Love, love, love. You know, gold highlighters can go crazy really quickly. This does not. It can be built up, and I get to keep my favorite way to use it. Really sophisticated shine, not like a... Not my thing. So really, really love it. And I think it complements the blush, the Suqqu blush. It does, it melts into the skin. And I think it complements this eye look. And that, my friends, is my face. Okay guys, so now it's your turn. Let me know what you're thinking. Did you get this eyeshadow palette? Are you a fan of Suqqu? Do you have this highlighter? What are you thinking? And what are you thinking about the blushes too? Those melting blushes. This is a melting highlighter. Is Suqqu a brand you really want to try, but you're not too keen on having to go through the rigmarole of ordering them from another country? Let me know in the comments below, okay? And of course, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I appreciate you guys so much. I appreciate your comments. I'm loving my channel, just growing slowly. I appreciate you guys a lot. And if you want to check out any of our boho head wraps, any of our t-shirt hair towel wraps, satin line beanies, satin line knit beanies, and our other hair accessories, just visit us at breezytee.com. I will check you guys in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.